Do you know that what is strainer and why we use this strainer? If yes, then let me in the comments box. If no, then in this video we are going to discuss about the pump suction strainer. So before starting the video, if you haven't joined LearnCHE YouTube channel, you can subscribe the LearnCHE YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. In this video we are going to discuss about the what is pump strainer. Then we will discuss about the how does pump strainer works. Then we will discuss about where is the pump strainer located. Then what is the importance of strainer, why we use this strainer, and in the last we will discuss about the how to clean the strainer. So guys, let's start the video from what is pump suction strainer. So let's see the definition first. If you work in an industry or you are a student, then you should know about it because it is very important. And whether you are from mechanical, chemical, electrical, from any branch, you should know about the plants. Okay, you should know about the components, you should know about the mechanical devices and why that mechanical devices use. You should know about it because it is important if you are working in an industry. So let's see that what is the strainer, right? So strainer is a mechanical device, okay, which is an integral part of the pipe connections. Okay, if there is any pipe connection to the suction side of the centrifugal pump. Okay, so at the suction side of the centrifugal pump there is a strainer which will use in the pipe connection, which is important, and that strainer is a mechanical device. Okay, this is the general definition what is strainer. Now we will see why strainer. Okay, what is the use and what is the function of the strainer. So the function of the strainer is it prevents the pump's components like pump, valve, etc. from the foreign particles, from the, you can say, lumps, from the solid particles. Okay, means it prevents our pump's components like impeller, pump valve, okay, from the foreign particles. Suppose if you have a fluid and suppose this is the line and in this line there is a fluid flowing. Okay, there is a fluid flowing and in this fluid there is a solid particles. Okay, and that solid particles may be the metals one, okay, and the lumps. So if the strainer will not be there, then it could damage our pump's component like impeller, like pump valve, etc. That's why this strainer is used to strain, to filter the fluid particles or to filter the solid particles from the fluid. Got it my point what I want to say? That's why we say that it prevents the pump's component like impeller, pump valve, etc. Okay, here you can see that the fluid is coming from here. First it will goes from the strainer, then it will go from here to the pump inlet. Okay, so it will, yes, it will strain the fluid first, it will filter the fluid first, then it will go into the inlet of the centrifugal pump. So that's why we use the pump strainer or the pump suction strainer. Got it? Now I think you know about what is pump suction strainer. Now we will discuss about the where is the pump strainer located. Okay, so just see here, if your fluid is coming from a tank, okay, this is the tank from where this fluid is coming. So we have to filter it out. Okay, we have to filter it out and we have to separate the solid particles, the lumps from the flowing fluid, and then it will enter into the pump inlet. Means that it will use at the suction side. Okay, this is the interview question and not very important but a basic question. Okay, so we can say that it will use at the suction side. Got it? So where is the pump strainer is located? Almost it is used at the suction side of the centrifugal pump. Okay, now how does pump strainer work? See here, these are the strainers. Okay, here you can see that the filter mechanism we use within this strainer to filter out our fluid particles. Okay, and the solid particles will be retained here and our flowing fluid will go from here to the pump inlet. Okay, so like it depends upon our flowing fluid. Okay, it depends upon our flowing fluid, which type of flowing fluid we are going to use, and like how much size of the pump, how much and how small particles of the solid will be present into this flowing fluid. On the basis of that, this filter medium mesh will be decided. Okay, so these are the filter medium which we use within this strainer, or we can say within this strainer, to filter out the solid particles or the foreign particles from the flowing fluid. Okay, when it filter out the flowing fluid, okay, then the solid retains within this, and the filtered solution or the fluid will goes from here, from the outlet of the strainer into the pump suction, and then the pump will discharge it into the desired tank or desired place. Got it my point? How this pump strainer work? Mainly there is this filter medium is used which filter out the following fluid, and it will be closed from here. Okay, it will not open from both sides, it will close from here, and the fluid will inlet from here and the outlet from here. Now I hope you understood that how this pump strainer works. Okay, first see that what is the importance of the strainer. Okay, as we have already discussed about that, it prevents our equipment pump from the damage from the foreign particles like lumps, solids present within the flowing fluid which could damage impeller or the inner part of the pump, right? And it maintains the efficiency of the pump. Definitely, if like your flowing fluid is going smooth via strainer, then it will definitely maintain the efficiency. If suppose there is not the strainer and your flowing fluid contains contaminated solids, so it will definitely going to reduce your efficiency, right? So it also maintains the efficiency. Okay, so if the strainer is there and it is filter out the solid particles, so maintenance cost will be reduced, right? And suppose you are handling some fluid particles and there is a solid ones present within that flowing fluid, so it will definitely increase your maintenance cost. Okay, and there may be other importance of the strainer. Let me in the comment box if you know what are the other importance of this strainer. Okay, now how to clean the strainer. Okay, like your question could be like, sir, in this strainer the solid and the foreign particles will be deposited here, so how we will clean this strainer? It clean by the scheduled maintenance by the mechanical department. Okay, so how we clean the strainer or how we clean like any mechanical device? So first we do the LOTO. Okay, LOTO to the pump and its components along with the line. Like suppose there will be the wall, there will be inlet wall, outlet wall, and the pump connection. So we will provide the LOTO. This LOTO will be provided by the process or the production department. Then we will also ensure that the production department person or the field engineer will also ensure that the pressure gauge reading, it could be 0, so that there could not be any pressure within the pump. Okay, and within the inlet line as well as the outlet line. Then we will ensure that all the safety precautions are taken by the field engineer, like who is working here, okay, and who will supervise this work. You could be ensure that all the safety precautions are taken. Okay, suppose there is any fluid which is hazardous and which is toxic as well, like urea. Urea is not toxic, but it could also damage, like ammonia, H2S, and any other fluid. So what will happen that it could be the fatal for anyone, right? So first ensure that LOTO is there, then the pressure gauge reading is 0, all the safety precautions are taken. Then use the PPEs, okay, gloves, goggles, helmet, all the PPEs you should have, right? Then in the last, remove the nuts and bolts. Okay, remove these nuts and bolts and clean the strainer. Okay, remove flanges if there, right? And remove the nuts and bolts, clean the strainer, and after the clean this filter medium, assemble it in a reverse manner, same which you are doing. Check out the direction of this filter medium and assemble it. In the last, this production department person will start the pump and check it out that pump is working in a well manner or not. Got it my point what I want to say? The most important thing in a strainer is that you will have to check out the direction of this filter medium. Okay, as well as you should also check it out that this nut and bolts should not be loose. Okay, so keep in mind this. So now whenever you will see the strainer in the centrifugal pump suction side, you will know that what is the purpose of this strainer and why do you use this. Okay, so I hope you found this video interesting. If you have any doubt in this video, let me in the comments box. I'll give the answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you soon.